India has detected a double mutant COVID variant which is worrying the whole nation. Let us know what is a double mutant and how India has detected. So there is a sudden surge in the COVID-19 cases during the beginning of March month. Now at present, India has reported over 60,000 cases on a single day, highest number of cases during the last 5 months. Only Maharashtra has reported more than 31,000 cases per day and New Delhi has reported over 1500 cases per day. In India, INSOCOG has been established during the end of the 2020 that has started sequencing the genomes of various viral strains collected from different samples across the country. Recently, India has collected over 10,000 samples from 18 states. Among these, India has confirmed that over 771 samples have been tested positive for the variants of concern that have entered from other countries, which includes 736 are of UK variant, 34 are of South African variant and 1 of the Brazilian variant. Other than these variants that have entered India from other countries, India itself has its own variants and a very serious concerning variant, that is a double mutant variant. What is a double mutant COVID variant? A double mutant COVID variant is nothing but a single virus containing two mutations. A spike protein that is taking these two variants at a time in a single viral variant. That particular variant and its lineages are called as double mutant variants. Why these double mutant variants are of a concern? Scientists are yet to analyze that if there is a chance that these double mutant variants are more infectious and whether they could escape the immune system that is incurred by the natural infection or the vaccinations. Indian officials deny that the sudden surge in the recent COVID-19 cases is not linked to the new variants of concern or the double mutant variant which is detected in India, because the officials say variants identified till now are not sufficient to interpolate with the rise in the cases of the corona in India. From the analysis of samples collected from the Maharashtra state, more fraction of samples contained two mutations, that is E484Q and L452R mutations. Dr. Jamil has confirmed that this lineage of double mutant has developed within the country. This double mutant could cause increased infection rate and it can also cause immune escape. That means those who are already exposed to the previous coronavirus are also vulnerable with this variant, and those who got vaccinated can also get infected with this. But some of the scientists say that these reinfections may not be much serious. They will be most probably mild in severity. It is yet to be proved. Double mutants can cause more severe infection and the double mutant variant can also cause immune escape. This is the time to be more cautious and to guard yourself from these new variants.